First, if you go to any of your YouTube videos that you have already published, in the details tab, scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can see a section called comments and ratings. By default, it is set to hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Now, if you go to YouTube, click on your profile icon and then select YouTube Studio, select settings on the left hand side, go to the upload defaults, select advanced settings, scroll down to the bottom, you see a section called comments. If you hold your cursor over the question mark, it will give you more details, and then click on allow all comments. Another place that you could also change this default setting is by going to the community tab in here, select default, and it has automatically changed this also to allow all comments. However, here you could also change messages in your live chat. By unchecking it, YouTube would allow more messages to appear on your live chat. In order to save the changes, click on save. Now if I go to my old video and refresh the page and scroll down to the comments section again, you can see the old videos comments are not changed. So for the old videos, you need to go to the video details tab and change it in here by selecting allow all comments and then clicking on save. However, from now on, any new video you would upload would allow all comments on that video. Since I have now turned on all comments on my videos, if I notice that I am getting too many spams and inappropriate comments, I will let you guys know in the description and pinned comment of this video. So don't forget to read the pinned comment for the latest update.